Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn some idioms for wishes, hopes, and dreams. Number 1. As you wish. It means, I will do what you want. Your wish is my command. Example, if you want to leave early, as you wish, just finish this report first. Number 2. Fingers crossed. It means to hope strongly that something will happen the way you want. Example, my results come out tomorrow. Fingers crossed I pass. Number 3. Knock on wood. It is said after mentioning something good, to avoid bad luck and hope it continues. Example, I've never been late to work. Knock on wood. Number 4. Make a wish. It means to silently hope for something you really want. Example, close your eyes and make a wish before you blow out the candles. Number 5. Be careful what you wish for. It means a warning that getting what you want might bring problems. Example, you wanted more responsibility. Be careful what you wish for. Number 6. Wishful thinking. It means when you believe something will happen just because you want it to, not because it's realistic. Example, thinking you'll be fluent in a week is just wishful thinking. Number 7. Dream come true. It means a situation that is exactly what someone really wanted or hoped for. Example, studying abroad was a dream come true for her. Number 8. Hope for the best. It means to expect or wish that the outcome will be good even if you're not sure. Example, we've done everything we can. Now we just have to hope for the best. Number 9. Live the dream. It means to have the kind of life you always wanted. Example, he works online while traveling the world. He's living the dream. Number 10. Light at the end of the tunnel. It means a sign that a difficult situation will soon improve, something hopeful to look forward to. Example, it's been a tough year, but getting that job offer is the light at the end of the tunnel. That was fun! Now go wish someone knock on wood today. Don't forget to check out the quiz below and comment your answers. Thanks for learning with me. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.